What is up, Lowheat fam? About to open a pair of Nike SB Dunks. But before that, I want to do a little mail day opening, a little appetizer before the main course. See what you guys think, and yeah. So here is an interesting. Before I reveal what I have in here, although you probably know from the comments, please subscribe. Just move your hand up there, hit subscribe. That'd be very appreciated. But let's see what we have in the bag first. So I just got this in from Supreme. I got some black socks. I have the red and purple pair of Hanes Supreme socks. Can never go wrong with some extra socks, fresh pair of socks. I add socks and the Hanes stuff to my cart when I only like planning on getting one item, or I think it might be super hyped and I need to check out fast with just one item. I feel like paying the $10 shipping on Supreme. I like to get value out of my shipping costs, so I add another item in ahead of time. So that's my little quirk. I just don't like paying shipping for one item, so I put a pair of socks in the cart. And here is what I got. And it comes with your standard box logo sticker, complimentary box logo sticker. No sticker pack this time. Sometimes they only do that if you get like two main items or certain things. You don't always get a sticker pack, so I didn't this time, unfortunately. That's all right. So I got this Supreme Wheaties box logo tee, and I'm curious what you guys think about this. Right now, you can get this on StockX for, I think like 71 is the lowest ask. 71's the lowest ask, and this retailed for like high 40s, I think. So, and then like with shipping and fees, you can get it for $90. But I think I paid, when you factor in shipping taxes, I paid over 50 for this. So not much resale value on these. And Supreme has kind of fallen out of favor. It's gotten a little too mainstream, a little too popular. There's some cynical people out there that, once something gets too popular, too many people wear it. Once dads and moms are aware of it, it stops being cool, which is understandable. Also, they were bought out by that, or I should say, that investment group came in and took over ownership. And so they're obviously into making a profit. So some of this has been diluted, watered down. What I'm specifically kind of upset about is this camo print. I'm a fan of camo, but done tastefully. And they just seem like they slapped the camo on this for the box. Should I open this? See, the problem is I don't know if I'm going to sell this. And if it comes in the vacuum pack, I feel like you can sell it easier, or has a little bit more legitimacy. So that's why I'm hesitant to open it, because I might sell this. I just wish they had done the orange box. If they had done the orange signature box, Wheaties logo, and then the red box logo, I mean, that would be so much better. Also, like, how crazy is it that we are in a time where a version of a box logo is not super hyped? Like, 4 years ago, this would have been instantly sold out and been, probably $150 on the cheap end, resale value. And now it's barely over retail. People are just trying to make their money back. So I find that interesting. I don't know, might hold on to this, see if it goes up, sell it, might wear it. Again, the camo thing for me is just that kind of bleh. Not that I don't like camo, just the way this was done seems a little too, just not tastefully done. So anyways, kind of a bummer, the execution on this. I don't mind the Wheaties collaboration. I just wish they would have done their signature. Then it would have been a box logo on a box, and that would have been dope. So anyways, let me know what you think of this specific t-shirt and collaboration and the box of cereal. Did you guys cop? What do you think of it? What do you think of Supreme? No one comments on my videos. Actually, some of you do. Thank you for that. So thank you to those who comment. But I gotta say the standard thing of, what do you think in the comments? So now, on to the main course. Today, as you see by the title, we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. What does PRM stand for? Pro model? Not sure. Anyways, in atomic pink. So the pink pig, the air quotes pink pig. And I was lucky enough to cop these for retail from Valsurf here in Los Angeles. They're in, well, what you used to call an extreme sports. Like, now they're a ski and snowboard and skate shop, local small chain. And they did a first come first serve Instagram post on their stories, and I was able to drive over quick. I lived close enough to them that I ran over and jumped in line and was able to cop a pair. Unfortunately, let's bring these shoes out first. Let's see these. Now, I have opened these, so I'm not going to call this video an unboxing per se, but an opening. So first off, right off the bat, clean design, obviously. It's got this nice suede, short-haired suede, your signature thick tongue on the SB Dunks, and just really most skate shoes. Interesting, they went with a black sole, which I think is nice. You don't find a ton of just black soles with other on certain colorway shoes. So that I think is unique and cool. And it's just a simple shoe, but in a very interesting color. You got the red highlights on the tongue and the heel. And there's not too much more to describe on the shoe. It does come with an extra set of laces, a red pair of laces. That I find that cool. Those I think would look sick on these. So I really like these. I think they're dope. If you're interested in these, they're not for a non-collab. They're expensive, but at the same time, they're under 300. Certain sizes, like this size 11, it's going for like 280 online, and I think that is, again, I wouldn't say affordable. I think any pair of shoes over 200 is kind of expensive, but in this dunk insane world of this dunk hype, it's not 400, it's not 500, it's not 600 on up to $1,000 shoe. So if you want a pair of Dunks and you really vibe with this colorway, I would consider them. They are in that cheaper, affordable Dunk range for Dunk lows. So it is worth considering, I think, if you really hyped on these and you missed out. Again, shout out to Valsurf for running a first come first serve and that I was able to cop these. So I really like these. This has been like my second. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Since I've started recently, in recent years, trying to get Dunks for Dunk lows. Since Dunk lows exploded, I think I've copped 4 pairs of Dunk lows for retail, and then a pair of Dunk highs. The Concept Turdunkins. Check that unboxing video on my channel. I think it's a crazy unboxing. I got the friends and family box, so check out that unboxing. But 1 pair of Dunk highs, and yeah, since it's exploded, I've only gotten 4 pairs for retail, this being one of them. I got another pair at Valsurf. That's unboxing videos on my channel. All these are on my channel, so go check them out. The Wheat Dunks from Valsurf, also first come first serve. I got the Atmos Dunks. I got 2 of those. I sold those both. I got one from CCS and one from Atmos. The elephant print and teal ones. And then I also was able to hit on sneakers on Nike, the Veneer Dunks. The Veneer from the Ugly Duckling pack. So this is my 4th pair that I've caught for retail. And so I really want to hold on to these. I sold the Atmos Dunk lows. I sold the Veneers, which I kind of regret. The Wheats, I might, give away as a gift. And so I really want to hold on to these. Problem is, when I got there, they said Racer Blue, because those are the ones I also dropped along this time. Racer Blue or Pink Pigs. And I was like, whatever comes in my size. I'm 11 and a half or 12. And they're like, we have neither. We do have the Pink Pigs in 11. So that's the bummer. So I am able to fit an 11, but it's a little tight. And SBs, if you do or do not know, fit a little tight. There's just more padding. I just ripped it. So let's try these on. See how they fit. I used to buy 11s, and then in my older age, I'm sick of wearing tight shoes. So I started going 11 and a half and 12 exclusively and got rid of most of my size 11 Dunks, probably for too cheap, but they were pretty worn, so I'm not upset about it. So let's take these off. Best Easter shoe, best Easter sneaker. Comment if you think I'm wrong, but these are the best sneaker shoes, these Dunks. I bought these for resale on Goat, and I love these. These are the Nike SB Dunk High Pros. What are these? What are these called? I forgot. Anyways, I wore them with some Supreme, purple Supreme socks, brand new for Easter, and it got the sock fuzz all over it. So pro tip, careful, but it's the inside of the shoe, no one notices. These are also suede. I would recommend, I sprayed some Jason Mark water repellent on these, and I would do the same for these if you guys got these. Just it helps keep the water damage minimal. So let's try these on, see if these fit. And if they fit, I will keep them. But I am looking to size swap. If any of you who are happening to watch this video this long, I am looking to size swap these with an 11.5 or 12. I don't want to buy. Don't hit me with like, you can buy these. I just want to size swap. If you're looking for an 11 and you happen to have an 11.5 or 12, I'm looking to swap these, or if you have the blue ones, the Racer Blue Golf ones. Either or, I would take an 11.5 or 12, and I will send you these. You send me yours, I send you these. So, if you happen to be watching this late in the video and have a pair of those and you want to swap, trade, hit me up, please. Hit me up in the comments, hit me up in my Instagram DMs. Follow my Instagram, please. I'd appreciate it. Lowheat Fancy Pants, follow it. Okay, so first off, note on the fit, my Seinfeld stance socks. These are a little, they're not thick, they're not super thin, they're on the thinner side, so I wore them specifically for these. These are definitely tight. Definitely tight. That being said, I could wear these. These would break in. My feet are cramped at the toe. It's tight on my heel. Nike SBs are tighter fitting. They're meant for skating, so they're meant to be a little tighter. That being said, to the point of comfort, I don't know. Let me stand kind of. Okay. So, worst case scenario, I don't think I need to sell these. I can keep these and wear these. I won't wear these on like days I go to Disney and walk all day. So, worst case scenario is avoided. I don't need to sell these. I can hang on to them, which is kind of a relief. Because again, I hate parting with Dunk Lows that I got for retail. It's such a rare occurrence. I've parted with some already and I kind of regret it. So these I really want to hang on to. I also like solid color shoes because then I can wear crazy socks with them. I think crazy socks go well with these because of the solid color. I think single color socks go well with these since these are already multicolor. So like Supreme socks, Supreme purple socks, perfect for these. Wild Crazy Stance socks, perfect for those. So yeah, there you go. On SB Dunks for fittings, if you don't already know, some of you might not know, I would go true to size to half size up. I would not go half size lower, not at all. That being said, these are a half size lower than my normal, and I could wear these. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some really good unboxings coming up. Really good unboxings. So subscribe. Hit me up if you have a size 11.5, 12 to trade, and these are the blue ones, the Racer Blue ones. I have, to tease, if you're still watching, coming up unboxings of the Jordan 3 Amamaniers, and then I have Travis Scott 6s coming up to unbox, and big cool thing that I copped that we'll find out together what's inside the box, the Stingwater $100 cardboard box they sold on their website. I bought one of those. So if you're in the video, watching the video still, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications so you can be the first one to find out what's in the box, what's in that Stingwater $100 golden ticket box that they sold. You're going to want to see that unboxing when I post it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, subscribe and hit that notification bell.